Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we are gonna be looking at Will Bitcoin Rally. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. I'm struggling right now with some stuff here on my browser. For some reason, the music doesn't want to play. I'm trying to figure out some stuff. So bear with me for a second as I finish setting this up, because it's just really weird how things are working right now. I'm worried that my computer might get a blue screen here shortly. So with that in mind, let's see if we can get this show on the road, right? Just one quick second here, because everything on this browser seems to be just stuck. So apparently I'm not even live. Can I get a confirmation that I'm live though? Because Brave just froze. So yeah, that's that. May says we need the dog. Yeah, last night was weird, right? A lot of freaking action going on. You see me, that is good, that is awesome. Just one quick second, guys. Gotta make sure it's something here. It's a brand new print. I gotta make sure it's coming out properly. Apparently it is. So with that in mind, I'm just gonna let that run. Hopefully it'll print out okay. I'm printing without the rafter, so I'm not sure how the bed adhesion for that's gonna be. Apparently it looks like it's gonna be okay, guys. One quick second. Yeah, seems okay. Well, we shall see. We shall see. Anyways, let's roll. Let's see what's happening, right? Let's go to the markets. For some reason, the music doesn't want to play. It's starting off to be a weird stream. It might just be a short one, though, right? I think I've been here, Jonathan, Thomas, and Carthio. Again, a stream from last night was deleted. I pulled it down as soon as the stream was over. It was one of those things that if you were live, you caught it. If you were not live, that's it. You missed it. We talked about the markets and where things could go, right? Things were not pretty last night. It was not a pretty night. We did drop to 25,000. So I talked about that area, right? I told you guys, dropping 28,000. Next area that we're going to go for is it's 25,000, right? So we hit 25,000, and now we're trying to bounce a bit. So, good stuff happening here. Let's go here onto total market cap. And I hope this doesn't freeze up on me, because, again, it looks as though the computer's going to crash. So we're still holding this here area at 1.19 trillion, not with a lot of strength. We have gone for that measure move, finally hit it, right, on the triangle, which we talked about going for that move, and then some, right? We did drop very low today. We did manage to go to 1.08 trillion. That's bad, man. Dropping below a trillion is not going to be good. Period. So, with that in mind, let's go check out Bitcoin. There's really not a lot going on here. The bullish divergence that we had is no longer there. Right? If we just go there, and guess what? We go there, we no longer have that bullish divergence. So, it's gone. Right? No longer do we have anything to help us rally. So right now, it's a do or die, man. Either we pump or something, or it's going to be bad. We need to get above 30,200s. I'm super glad that we managed to close above 28,769. That was a good pull back up. It was kind of bullish, because we did reject lower areas of value with a lot of strength. Look at that. We did manage to recover about 13%. At some point in time, we were recovering all the way up here to 18%. So recovery was good. Recovery was good. It's just not the best, right? Right, so with that in mind, again, Bitcoin doesn't have anything bullish going on. Again, we're dropping lower, more negative momentum. It's oversold at 27.44. Are things done? Probably not. There's no telling right now. Here on this day, on May the 10th, I was really hoping that we're going to get some sideways motion before any sell-off or anything else going on. We didn't. We didn't sideways motion. We just dropped. And again, dropped about 6%. Then, yesterday was really bad. We're dropping it up to 17% at some point in time. Not for Bitcoin, though, for Ethereum. And Bitcoin was dropping almost at 10, 12%. So it was not good. Again, managed to recover after 2 in the morning, which was okay. Europe came in. They probably saw like cheaper value. They tried to buy some. And then New York came in, and then stuff got wonky. So that's it. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bullish divergence. Look, action to the upside, right? I posted this one on the Discord. So we were here coming live, and then we're still rallying on that bullish divergence from the 4-hour. That double bottom's obviously not playing out. We know that, so we're going to get rid of this. That's it. Neutral at 38.77. Again, action to the upside. We're starting to get some. As soon as we start to go slightly higher, guess what, man? High to low, low to high. Hidden bearish divergence is going to come in. Put, put some pressure on the price. And that hidden divergence could make us drop again. Andrew in the house. What's up, Andrew? Andrew says, has anyone tried swinging? Sorry, man, I'm not a swinger. That's a very awkward comment. That's a very awkward question. Hey, man, has anyone tried swinging? I think he meant swing trading. Oh, there we go. He did just type swing trading the 1 minute on Luna. Yeah. So we're dropping lower, more negative momentum as well. Nothing bullish again. So nothing to go on there. Here on the 1-hour chart, right? Look at this. High to low. All right, this is a 1 hour. And then low to high, hidden bearish divergence. What do we get? Pressure on the price, move sideways. We drop below that 20,798, and now we're trying to go back up, right? And again, as soon as we try to go slightly higher here, oh snap, something sounded off. As soon as we try to go, again, high to low, as soon as we try to go slightly higher, we're going to start developing some strong bearish divergence. Neutral 54.10, right? Not the best, man. Ethereum. Oh man, this is getting stuck. Here we go. All right. So we're dropping farther down again, getting rid of that divergence, just like everyone else, right? No longer do we have this bullish divergence, man. We are on a free fall of sorts because we have nothing bullish to try to hold us. Oversold at 27.96, 4-hour chart. I'm not expecting to see anything different. Again, same bullish divergence coming in, try to help us rally. We had this last night. Again, started to get above that 1,844. At least we're above the 2,000s. That's okay. We shall see how things keep going. But again, I'm not super hopeful right now. I'm not bearish, but I'm not hopeful for the market. Right? Again, things are starting to turn very bearish. With that, again, we don't have a lot going on here. Same hidden divergence that we had with the Bitcoin, and that's it, man. Right? Ethereum and Bitcoin are looking extremely similar because the market is looking similar. Right? Neutral 51.56. All right, that's it for Ethereum. Let's go to ADA, man. ADA, where's ADA at in value? Oh, looky here. We did drop to the 40-cent mark. Y'all remember when we talked about this? 44 is going to be a target. We're going to go down to the 40s. Yo, target hit, right? 47. Look, 40.7. And then some. Targets met. Awesome. We do know what we're doing here. Yay. Alrighty, let's get rid of this stuff here. I think we're not gonna have this. We might still be holding on to this on a larger move. Some bullish divergence strong, barely there. Oversold at 27.27, man. They're not looking pretty, man. Nothing here that is bullish again. Tron rally. We're gonna go to the 55-cent mark. That's gonna be a resistance. Again, managed to get above that 44.8 here, and still get above that 40.7-cent mark, so which is pretty good, and sold at the 34.02. So trying to recover okay for ADA, but again, things not looking good in general, right? And here, just the same moves, right? Same moves. Look at that, from here to here, and from here to here, right? Again, here, slightly lower than the previous high. As soon as we try to go higher, we're going to start creating some bearish divergence. We might get at that 55-cent mark, and then we could drop again. Be careful, Mark. It's not good. A lot of talk about Luna. Let's go check it out because it's not doing good, right? Luna is really in a lot of pain. If you are a Luna holder, man, I wish you the best. Luna, we were looking at some bullish divergence. Y'all remember we talked about this, and I say it might be looking pretty good if we still have divergence by the time we get here. And guess what? We still had divergence on these drops, right? It's just Luna going to zero on fundamentals. There's no technicals here. It's just fundamentals. It just kept on dropping forever and ever and ever, and now it's worth point, not even a cent. Sport point double zeros and then 0.2. So we're not even at a cent. I think we were at a cent earlier today, or at least someone had said a cent. So actually, we're gonna have to look at this in log scale. Yeah, we were at a cent. Here at 4 p.m. And a lot of people saying buy some Luna at a cent. I think even preparing for war said buy Luna at a cent. Hell's no, man. This price on free fall. It didn't hold anything. It don't matter what you have in the bullishness. It just don't care about it. War, man, I'm sorry, man, that you bought this, but this project's just as soon as this broke and we didn't manage to hold that bullishness, it's just not good, man. Right? Look, resistance where we're supposed to find it, right here at 4.15 cents, and after that we just dropped forever and ever and ever into oblivion. This project's dead, probably. I've heard they also halted, the blockchain, so that's also gonna affect it, right? So Luna, dead project for now. It just went to oblivion. Look at this. This is a nasty project fall, bro. It just went from being at 120 or so. What was the highest point here? It's not telling me the chart. Here we go. Highest point, 119, man. 119. $120, man. You can say that's the highest point, and we dropped by 100%, almost 95.95%. Would you look at that? Oh man, that is extremely painful to look at. Even if we go on log scale. All right, hide the bond bands because they really mess with their perception. Log scale just looks inverted to what we're looking at because we just went down to 0. So let's get out of log scale. There we go. Ah, man, this looks bad. This is bad, man. Yeah, Luna, fudge. If you're holding it, I'm sorry, man. That's it for Luna. I'm not gonna touch this. Maybe when there's news of the product might come around, might get into it, but for now, it's not a buying one. All right, I'm just curious to see where our XRP coin is at, because the XRP community have been extremely quiet. They missed the bull run because they were getting blocked by the SEC. Oh, look, it went to support at 37 cents. Oh, my goodness. Not good, man. I mean, it is what it is, but, hell. It's just XRP horribly tanking. Oh, I know what the sound is. The printing is right. It's just the filament is hitting the side of the spool and it's making a weird noise. So it had me worried there for a second. Luna Foundation Beacon addresses now has a 0 balance. Yes, they sold off everything. And yeah, it talks about Coinbase potentially going bankrupt, also not helping the market, right? I mean, it was a big speculative if, but a lot of people took it to heart, and that probably scared a lot of people. Beta, man. There's really not anything out there that is good. Everything is in pain, and there could still be a lot more pain to come. That is unfortunate. That is unfortunate, guys. Right? I mean, we are trying to rally. We were trying to rally. We're getting some pullback now. But again, 30K, 30,242, that is a target to beat, right? We were here last night, came live, market was dropping, I had to come live. I know it's not in the best condition to come live, but, I had to come live to let you guys know what was up, and things are not good still. Things are not good still. We did manage to hold on to that 28,000. That's the only good thing. But look at the wicks. We're making wicks lower than where we had wicked in the past. And that's why 30,000 is so important. The closes, right? The closes back here. Once we came down and wicked that 29,000, that 28,700, we managed to close above the 30,200 here and here. And here we closed one candle below, the next candle recovered. But, we haven't actually recovered that area. I really fear that if we do not recover this quickly, that 30,200, man, is going to be 25Ks, 23Ks, even 20Ks. Right? And then we're on a full bear market and we're looking at 12,000, and that's the 85%, 80% drop that we're looking from all-time highs to lows. Hell, a lot of people are gonna be buying at those levels, man. I'm starting to sell positions. I told you guys below 37,000 Bitcoin, I'm selling off, and I've been selling off, consistently. So keeping some of the profits that I managed to get, I told you guys my in some Bitcoin, they were all below, and then we did them live, and I showed them live. They're all below that 7,000, below 10,000. I added some around the 20s, but that's it. I haven't added a lot of Bitcoin above current levels, so it's gonna be a good opportunity to add more, right? And yeah, I think we're gonna be calling it an early stream. I do know probably not a lot of people want to look at crypto right now. They're probably fed up. They've been looking at crypto all day because it dropped. It's trying to pump. Whatever, man. So we're gonna call it an early stream. I'm also a bit tired. I didn't get the best night's sleep last night. I was looking at the markets until like 2 or 3 in the morning, until I started to see some relief coming back in. And yeah. Look, this is 2 in the morning candle. It had the nastiest drop to 25,400s. And then that 3 p.m. 3 in the morning candle started to go slightly sideways. So I didn't get the best night's sleep. I woke up super early today. Only had about maybe 3.5 hours of sleep. So I'm tired. I'm going to be calling it a stream. But thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching again. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. You join us on the Discord, right? Links have gone out. Remember that all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And on that note, thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.